Today we shall discuss some typical example on linear programming. So to say something about linear programming, first you have to discuss one thing, the intercept form of a straight line. What do you mean by the intercept form of a straight line? The line of the form x by a plus y by b equal to 1, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the intercept form of a straight line where a and b are the intercepts on the axis. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis, and this is the line x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is the x-intercept and this is the y-intercept. So if I have a region like this, inequality like this, x by a plus y by b less or equal to 1, this indicates a region towards the origin. If it is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, what do you mean by this? X by a plus y by b less or equal to 1. Towards the origin means you give an arrow. So this is the region towards the origin. Now if you are given that x and y greater than or equal to 0, that means the region in the first quadrant will be in the first region will be in the first quadrant. Region will be in the first quadrant less or equal to 1, this one, this region. If I say x by a plus y by b greater or equal to 1, what it indicates? Away from the origin. This is away from the origin. X by a plus y by b greater or equal to 1. So this will be the region, and also x y greater or equal to 0. So this will be in the first region, in the first quadrant, the region will be in the first quadrant, and away from the origin, that is this is the region. So what I have stated now, if I take a straight line x by a plus y by b equal to 1, this is the straight line in the intercept form where a and b are the intercepts on the x and y axis. So if it is less or equal to 1, then and x y greater or equal to 0, the region will be in the first quadrant, but it is towards the origin. If it is greater or equal to 1, if it is greater or equal to 1, then away from the origin, and x y greater or equal to 0, it is away from the origin. Now come to the problem. Solve the following linear programming problem graphically. Minimize z is equal to x plus 2y subject to this constraint, twice x plus y greater or equal to 3, x plus 2y greater or equal to 6, and xy greater or equal to 0. So first put in the form the inequations, 2x plus y greater or equal to 3, but put in the form x by a plus y by b greater or equal to 1. So divide by the constant 3, this can be written in the form x by 3 by 2 plus y by 3 greater or equal to 1. And the second constraint is x plus 2y greater or equal to 6. So divide by 6, x by 6 plus y by 3 greater or equal to 1. So this is our number 3. And number 1 is our minimize z equal to x plus 2y. So this point x by 3 by 2 plus y by 3 greater or equal to 1. So here x by 6 plus y by 3 greater or equal to 1. So this point is our 6 0 and this point is our 0 3, and here also the line passes through the point 0 3 and 0 3 by 2. So 0 3 by 2 and 0 3, this line. Now we want the common region, and here you have to note that x y greater or equal to 0, that is the region will be in the first quadrant. So this constraint 2, 3 and 4, what happens? This is the region. Now what do you want? The minimum value of z equal to x plus 2y. So first find the value of z at the point A and at the point B. So at 6, 0 z equal to 6 and at 0, 3 z equal to 6 also. So what is the region? So the required region is the shaded region in the adjoining figure. And what is the minimum value? Minimum value of z is 6 at all points on the line joining the points 6, 0 and 0, 3. So z occurs at more than 2 points, as because at the point 6, 0 and 0, 3 the value of z are equal. Next, come to the next problem. Solve the following linear programming problem graphically. Maximize z is equal to x plus y subject to x plus x minus y less or equal to minus 1, minus x plus y less or equal to 0 and x y greater or equal to 0. So first let us write z equal to x plus y, equation number 1, and inequality, first inequality is, the equation is x minus y less or equal to minus 1. So divide by minus 1, this inequality will change, minus the less or equal to will be greater or equal to, so x by minus 1 plus y by 1 greater or equal to 1. X by minus 1, y by 1 greater or equal to 1 means, just now I have told you that greater or equal to 1 means away from the origin. So this one, region above this line, and mind it that in the first quadrant region will be in the first quadrant, as because x, y greater or equal to 0. Now the second one is minus x plus y less or equal to 0. From this you can write y less or equal to x. Now here we state that the straight line, what do you mean by the straight line? Y equal to x. Suppose we have a line y equal to x. What do you mean by this? This is the x axis and this is y axis. This is our y axis. This is the line. This is the line y equal to x. This line passes through the origin and makes an angle of 45 degree with x axis. So here we have this y less or equal to x. That means and x y greater or equal to 0. So this region will be y less or equal to x. This is our y equal to x. Less or equal to x means this is this region towards this. So this will be towards this, and so that's why we have taken as arrow towards this. And in the previous inequality, x by minus 1, y by 1 plus y by 1 greater or equal to 1 is away from the origin. So first we have to state that whether it has a common region or not. In the previous problem, we have seen a common region, but here this is upward and this is downward. So there is no common region. So the joining figure drawn, this satisfying the constraint 2 to 4 means this constraint, this one and this one, and it is seen that there is no feasible region, so there is no maximum value of z. Feasible region means there is no common region between these constraints 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there is no constraint, so we cannot find the value of z, maximum z, as because this is upwards and this is downwards, so there is no common region, and that's why I have written here that since there is no feasible region, so there is no maximum value of z. Thank you.